Jude. Oh, Clint, sorry. So, Clint, how can you contribute to the global aid for Mother Earth? Again, I'll repeat the question to you. How can you contribute to the global aid? Take care of our Mother Earth.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. To take care of Mother Earth, we use 3R. Reduce, recycle. In that case, so we can save the Mother Earth. Remember, Mother Earth can live without us, but people like us can live without Mother Earth. Thank you and good evening.